Hey, it's AP, and it's been a while, but I'm finally getting back to working on BD1. So welcome to part 3, the body. All right, so we're starting with the body. Well, we're not starting with the body. We already started with the legs, and now we're doing the body. So take the neck, head frame B, which I believe is this, and lower neck hinge parts. All right, we got those three. Cut 2 lengths of toothed belt, 42 teeth long. That is very specific. Wow, my glasses are filthy. Excuse me. Okay. 42 teeth. 39, 40, 41, 42. All right. We have 42 teeth. And I think I need 2 of these. So let's just do... Okay. There, we have our 42 teeth. Next, put 1 belt either side in the slots, creating a loop. Let's do a close-up of this one.
You're going to, in essence, make a loop out of the toothed belts, the head frame, and the lower neck hinge. Insert the head frame into the bottom of the neck and push it through. Now take an M315 countersunk bolt and screw it into the lower hole to hold the neck hinge in place. Finally, pull the head frame through the top and use an M335 to temporarily hold it in place. Ooh, it moves. For the tilt gear, simply insert an M4 square nut into the slot on the main body bar. Next, insert an M4 square nut into the slot on the tilt gear. Hold the tilt gear inside the body and slide the main body bar through the shoulder and into the gear. Line up the holes, and then screw the 2 parts together with an M425 countersunk bolt. I highly recommend attaching the legs to the body at this point. First, slide the inner cores over the main body bar, making sure the holes are aligned. Then, place the main hubs over the inner cores. Next, run the servo cables through the hole and up through the neck. Finally, attach the legs with an M425 screw. Oh, and you can also put the rocket booster covers back on now too. Attach the tilt servo gear to the servo and then screw the servo into the body rear panel A. Slot the body rear panel B into place. Insert 2 M4 nuts into the slots on body rear panel A. Now feed the servo cable through the top of the body like you did with the leg cables. Bolt down body rear panel A with 2 M4x10 bolts.
Okay. Let's see if this actually works. So technically, oh, look at that. How cool is that? Okay, so then we need to run all these cables up the neck, and the neck goes.
Now, this is where I kind of went off the rails, so make sure you check out the instructions I wrote up.
Yeah.
This step should have come before attaching the body rear panel A to the body. First, feed all the cables up through the neck. Now, this next part is tricky. You'll need to attach the neck with 2 M415 bolts. However, you need to navigate inside the body through cables and the main body bar. Try using needle nose pliers, tweezers, or even a small stick with some tape to get the nuts into the body. Once you have the neck bolted down, attach the body rear panel A again, and you're now done with the body.
Oh, this is it. We're done. Okay. the body's done. That's great. Progress. Does he still move? Yes. He's heavy. Okay. He's looking good. A little bit of a headless robot action going on here, but it's something. Oh, look at that. He's excited to see you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't. Leave me comments either way. I love to hear from people. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you made it this far, you are awesome. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on when I post part 4 of this epic journey, building the head. Big subscriber shout outs this week to, who am I giving a subscriber shout out to this week? Big subscriber shoutouts this week to my pal Miggy Gogolen and my buddy Mr. Nedd Jacobs over at Stone Fisted Productions. Stone Fisted Productions. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, well, we'll just leave it at that. Thanks, everybody.